Welcome to this gentle, short meditation for body and mind relaxation. Please find yourself a quiet place to sit, turn off your phone and dim the lights. This is your time, a time for total relaxation and inner stillness. Take a moment to make sure that you are warm enough and that you are seated comfortably, with your head, neck and trunk on a straight line. Rest your hands loosely in your lap and now gently close your eyes. Take a long, slow, deep breath in. Hold it for a moment and then slowly exhale. Just allow any tension to melt away as you gradually relax more and more deeply with each and every breath. Take another long, slow, deep breath in. Hold it and then exhale. Empty your lungs completely with your out breath. Take a third deep breath in. Take your time, hold it for a moment, and then just let it go. You can already feel yourself drifting into a state of deep relaxation. Continue to breathe slowly and gently as you bring your awareness to the top of your head. Just sense or imagine a feeling of relaxation beginning to spread down from the top of your skull. Feel the muscles in your forehead and temples relax. Allow your eye muscles to release. Let your cheeks and jaw soften and let go of all tension. Now let this peaceful feeling flow down into your neck. Feel it loosening every muscle and every fiber. With each breath you take, this relaxing feeling becomes deeper and warmer. It works its way deep into the muscles in your shoulders, shooting them, releasing them. This peaceful feeling flows down from your shoulders and into your arms. It loosens the muscles in your upper arms, your forearms, your hands, relaxing and shooting all the way to the tips of your fingers. As your body relaxes, your mind relaxes, and your thoughts seems to become lighter and lighter. You are slipping farther and farther into a dreamlike state of stillness and relaxation. Now, bring your awareness to your chest and your stomach. Feel how this area of your body gently rises and falls as you breathe. The peaceful sensation flows throughout this area of your body, shooting every muscle and relaxing every organ. You can feel it releasing every last molecule of tension. Turn your attention to your upper back and feel this relaxing sensation flow all the way down your spine. As it gradually works its way down your body, feel every muscle in your back relax and unwind. Feel that your entire upper body has become loose, limp and relaxed. Skin into this serene sensation. Relax more and more deeply with each breath. Now feel your hips relax as the peaceful feeling starts to work its way through your lower body. Relax your buttocks, the backs of your thighs, the front of your thigh. Feel all these large, strong muscles groups becoming looser and more relaxed with each passing moment. Soothing feelings of relaxation flow down through your knees and into your calves. Your ankles relax. Now your feet relax. Allow your entire lower body to relax completely. And allow any remaining tension from anywhere in your body to flow out through the tips of your toes. Just relax. Feel all the tension going away with each and every breath out. You are now comfortable, peaceful, and fully, deeply relaxed.